morning! Maayong buntag! Maayong buntag sa tanan! Kumusta? How are you all? We am good. Guys, I'm cleaning with my carpet because here, every raining. What I do, to remove the dust and like a hygienic also, I use with my two hands, the left and the right. Later guys, join me when I'm cleaning manual in my carpet. See guys, it's too much dirty. My hands, you can see, I will show you the water. I have here the plain water and then the other one with Dettol. Because I don't have vacuum, I'm always doing this one. Mostly, I'm doing this every month for washing. But now here in Nepal, every day raining. And then the carpet is very dusty. Now this is the solution which is I found. Oh, ganito lang guys, tingnan nyo. Oh. Ang dami, grabe. You can see my hands. Too much dusty. I will show you here. I have two buckets. One, I will wash my hands. And then another one, I dip in the Dettol. And then very effective guys. Sanitize. See, too much. My God, gulay. At least from this, your carpet is getting sanitized and plus the dust is go away, go away. Kumusta ang lahat? How are you all? Hopefully all everything good. How's your day? See, ang dami guys. Kaya talagang magtuwad-tuwad talaga taba, tuwad-tuwad. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is holiday of Sophia because here in Nepal, one day only holiday, only Saturday. And then Sunday, back to school. See guys, oh my God, see too much, oh. I will show you the water which is you can very effective. This is my totally vacuum. My hands vacuum guys. Diba? And then very nice smell because I put the Dettol. Mabango-bango siya. Try nyo. Kung hindi ano. Maximum siguro 10 or 20 minutes lang siguro. Hindi naman gaano ka-dirty ang carpet. Just try guys. I will show you before and after. Before it's very dusty. Oh my God. See all my hands. Yeah. I wash with the dirty and then after I will dip in the Dettol on my another hands. At least ang bango pa. Oh. It's very smell good. Because you know already, Sophia always anywhere jumping. And then actually we have 4 dogs. Our 4 dogs is not allowed to come inside. We already trained them not allowed, only outside. Only this crow always coming here inside. The parrot not coming. Crow only because he will always coming. Like that. Ang dami ko ng animals guys. Kulang na lang monkey. Maghanap ako ng monkey. Gawin ko na itong si Buso yung bahay namin guys. Ay nako. Before we have the rabbit. But unfortunately this dog is making kill. We have rabbit before. And then before also we sell the live fish and chicken. But due to pandemic, wala. Siradong nga guys. Already closed. diba? Ang ganda ng aking, oh my God. Like I feel brand new. Like I feel I wash also. It's too much. And then very nice smell also with the Dettol. Now Sophia, when she came from the school, again she can do what she wants. She'll do rampa-rampa here. Sophia, she like all the rampa, guys. I told Sophia, you go always outside. She like always outside. She told already, Mommy, Daddy, tomorrow Saturday, where we go? And then I told her, only inside the house. She's crying. She want outside. Gusto always outside. See, guys, I will show you, huh? Now I'm done. Now I will wash mine. See, it's very dirty, the, what they call this one? Water. I want to show you. See, oh, you saw? This is the water, which is, and then after that, I have two buckets. One is Dettol. This is with, I put the Dettol itself. And then this is manual cleaning for the carpet. Now see, my carpet is very clean and then very smell nice. Before, oh my God, even your broom, too much dusty. Now it's very pretty. Diba guys, very pretty. Now I will wash my hands because I will put some stuff here in the keeping. Oh my God, kumusta lahat? How are you all? I miss Philippines. Hopefully soon we can go home. We claim it. Now I wash my hands. Now I will do this. I will repack transfer the container all mine. See guys, this is before this is actually I reuse only. The before is oyster sauce. And then now, I reuse. And then now I'm putting with my oil. Transfer oil, guys. Diba, ang daming na ano. Transfer this. This is the one I used before. Before, this is all when I buy the oyster sauce. And then all the glass I keep aside. It's very pretty. Oh, I like it. No need to buy anything, guys. See? Half liter of oil. Oh. Diba, very pretty also my bottle. Like online also. Diba, socialan. But already recycled this bottle. This I bought before in the market. I bought this here in Nepal we call like this, like a Lucky Me. I bought this because when Sophia and Daddy we came from the Daddy to work, we want to eat like this. This is spicy and non-spicy. I can drink together. And then done this. I will refill with my sugar also, guys. Here also like a Philippines, always raining. Now today is not much. Again later, oh my God. Again the raining is more again. Guys, kumusta na? How's the no sugar? How much the kilo no sugar? Here is in Nepal, 1 kilo is 100 rupees. And then in Philippines is 50 pesos. I bought 2 kilo and then that's the one. In Philippines, I don't know how much now. Comment naman kayo dyan how much now the sugar in Philippines. Again here guys, life is here in Nepal always tea. You have visitor or ever, always tea. Tea is life here. See? My Chaima bought me like this one, very big. She gave me today. At least I'm lucky because always my Chema always giving me something. If she go grocery, she will give me also. I transfer the Sophia milk here because I have 2 container and then I don't have any. That's why I transfer first her the Sophia milk. Until now, Sophia need to drink milk. Thank you to my new subscriber and my old subscriber. Thank you. God bless us more. God bless all. Good health always. Sa mga mamsi dyan or mga ate, kuya, whatever, whoever. Always take care. Amping. Sa Bisaya pa day, amping. And then, to my cousin, I think cousin friend in the Bulacan. I think I hear that Bulacan is too much raining and then flood. Please take care po. Ingat palagi. Lahat, ingat. Oh, I transfer her the half of the milk of Sophia because we buy the big one so that it's easy for me to refill. This is all my day, guys. And then I put on the clip because later Sophia will come from the school. See my pretty flower, guys? Look. Nasa tabi-tabi lang to, guys. Like, I pick up only. Thank you for watching. Sige, grabe. Oh my God. Too much hot here. Oh, sige mo, naligo na ako. Kahit may electric fan, grabe ang init. Super, Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you to my new subscriber and old subscriber. Thank you. God bless. Much love po. Be kind. Love you all. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Love you. Be safe.